Hi, boys and girls. It is Miss Thompson here again, here to show you how to complete another day's worth of research. So as we're writing informational writing pieces, that means that we are trying to teach someone about something that we have learned about. So we looked yesterday at Pebble Go animals, and today I wanted to show you how to use another search engine called KidInfoBits. So I'm going to click on that. And it's going to take me to this screen, and I'm going to click on the one that says animals. Then I'm going to click on mammals, just like yesterday. And I'm going to go to the one that says meerkats. And then I can look all right here, look at some pictures of meerkats or magazines. And I am going to click on this one right here. And I can listen to it.
Meerkats. A meerkat. Copyright Blaine Harrington III/Alamy. Main ideas. Meerkats are small desert mammals that live in southern Africa. Meerkats dig and live in long tunnels called burrows. Meerkats live in large groups and cooperate to find food. Meerkats have become popular animals thanks to film and television.
Okay, so I'm going to pause it and write a fact that I have learned. I think it's really cool that meerkats live in a long tunnel called a burrow. So I'm going to go back to my journal, and you probably wrote more facts than just the one yesterday. I stopped at my first fact, but I am going to put meerkats, making sure that I'm following my writing goal of staying in these lines and having nice, neat handwriting. Meerkats dig tunnels, called burrows. Ending with a period. So I'm checking my handwriting, making sure it looks right, making sure I can read it. Meerkats dig tunnels called burrows. And then I can go back and finish listening to all of the information about meerkats, making sure that I only write down facts about them.